Today we are not doing regular or back. We are going to spicy it up. Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you are seeing this beautiful face for the first time, you're welcome. My name is Norma. And to my OGs, thank you guys for always coming back to look at my beautiful face. I really appreciate that. Thank you. I love you guys. So, like I said, we are not doing regular all back today because I don't know for some reason I've been on all back, like back to back all back. I've been too lazy to to make like good hair, seriously. So, and I'm still doing the all back, but not the regular all back. So I just took out the all back I made the last time. I think I don't know if I posted it on my short video, maybe or maybe not. So I'm taking it out. I just took it out. I mean, that is why my hair looks so straight. So let's do something else. So first of all, I'm going to be doing a twisting at the back before you know the normal all back. So if you don't mind, stick with me in this video. Let's make something beautiful, okay? So if you are new in this channel, what we do here is natural hair styling and showing you some natural herbs that you can use to at least maintain your healthy hair, like grow your hair, keep it healthy, shiny, and all that. So, if it's something you like, please do subscribe and join us. And thank you for joining. Okay. And guys, I'm so excited because my hair is growing so long. Like, I could remember the first time I made this style, like not exactly this particular style I'm making, but something like this. Like my hair was not this long, but look at my hair now, you guys. I don't know if I'm able to see a picture of that twist. I might attach it here, or maybe the video, I might link it here because I still have the video on my channel. So whichever one, like, I love the way the hair is growing, and if I'm passing and people are saying your hair is fine, your hair is fine, my hair will be getting big. Yo, like, if you want to train your natural hair, if you want to go back natural, like, you can do it. Just look at me, I started 2020 and we are still counting. So guys, I'm just going to let you watch this video to the end because I really don't have much to say, nothing. So let me not just keep saying rubbish here, okay? So please watch to the end. Do not fast forward it. Do not skip any part. Watch to the end. Like it, share, comment. But if you don't feel like commenting, no problem. I don't mind. But please do it to share, okay? Thank you. I love you guys. Bye for now. watched to this end, then you are my real OG. Like you are one of my biggest supporter. Like, whew, God bless you for watching to this end. I appreciate you. You are among the people who are wishing me success in this YouTube journey. Thank you so much. So we are finally done, and this is what I got. Like I told you guys, it's not your regular or back.